Here's a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Fortified, capable, and ready. This is your ticket to those places that don't charge admission. The mountain paths and forest trails inspire your adventuresome spirit. Break down the barriers with its removable top and let Hill Start Assist, electronic stability control, and four-wheel drive capabilities deliver you to the summit. With its 4 doors, the whole family will easily be able to come along for the adventure. The underbody armor, durable and washable interior with drain plugs, and advanced multi-stage airbags keep the good times rolling and looking good.
The feel of the open road takes on a new meaning with the convertible top.
Climb inside and experience the heavy-duty legend. This Wrangler Unlimited is ready for a test drive.
At Rusty Wallis Honda, our primary goal is to satisfy our customers. Stop in today. We're easy to find just off I-635 at Shiloh Road.